Welcome to Bill's Bridge class, Monday, July 8th, 2013. Class 94, Suit Preference Signals, Part 3. Today we're going to complete suit preference signals with three specific examples as to when a lead is a suit preference, a lead or a play to third hand. In one case, you could argue whether it's a suit preference or an attitude signal. But in any event, let's wrap up suit preferences.
To signal a suit preference signal. When is it in order? Case 4. When partner leads an unsupported ace and accidentally, I should say, establishes tricks in dummy for discards. Here it is obvious to everyone, including partner, that you made a mistake, so tell him right away what suit to shift to. You know that he needs to shift to it. In the following hand, you are east. How do you play? Here you are east. This is your hand. Here goes the bidding. 1 spade by south. Your partner bids 2 diamonds. 3 diamonds by north, which is a raise in spades. You pass, and south goes to 4 spades. Everyone passes. Partner leads the ace of hearts, and down comes dummy. Well, you're not thrilled at his lead. In fact, declares thrilled at his lead. And you know, and he knows, that he needs to change to another suit. It's clear to everybody that partner missed the mark on his lead. What is your play? It's got to be a suit preference signal. You play the 3 of hearts, your lowest hearts. It's a suit preference signal. You want partner to lead a club. With 2 club tricks after the partner leads a club, and your partner happens to have a trump trick, you will set the contract. Any other lead, declare makes his hand because he's got pitches with those king, queen of hearts on in the dummy. When is a suit preference signal and when is it in order? Case 5. When you have promised 6 or more cards in a suit and partner leads an honor, you have a wide choice of cards you can play. For example, you open 3 hearts and the opponents get the contract, let's say 4 spades. Partner leads the ace of hearts and you hold 7 hearts there. Dummy comes down with 10-2. What play should you make? To choose just the right card. You hold, let's say you hold this holding. Partner leads the ace of hearts. Dummy has 10-2. What's your play? If you play the highest heart, you have a king. Obviously, you show that you have the queen, but you also say continue hearts. If you play a high heart, not necessarily the highest, but your partner should be able to tell, a higher ranking heart, it's a suit preference signal for a higher ranking suit. If you play a middle of the road heart, somewhere in there, it says continue the hearts. And if you play a low heart, it's a suit preference for the lower ranking suit. When you have this situation, always play the highest or the lowest or the middle of the middle. Give partner the best opportunity to read your card properly. Final case where a suit preference signal is in order. Case 6. The lead exhausts dummy of cards in the suit. It's pretty clear at this point that continuing to lead the suit, especially if there's a trump, may not be advantageous. However, remember at the 5 level or higher, when you lead the king from ace king to get a count. Partner leads the king of spades against the 6 heart contract. Dummy comes down with the hand on the left and you have the hand on the right. There's dummy. There's your hand. What are you going to play? So let's repeat the situation. The contract is 6 hearts by south. You are west. Dummy comes down with that. That's your hand. And partner leads the king of spades. What do you want partner to do? Well, partner should have the ace and the king of spades. If not, declare will certainly win the first trick and it won't matter. But you want your partner to lead the ace of spades at trick 2. Why? Because that's an uppercut. It will develop a second trick for the defense. If dummy ruffs with the ace king or king of hearts, your queen of hearts becomes a setting trick. So you want to play the 8 of spades. You could call it a suit preference signal, but it's also an attitude signal. It says continue, despite the fact that dummy is out of spades.
That wraps up suit preference signals. Tomorrow we're going to cover a new topic, a topic of how to make maximum use of your trump, sometimes as declare and sometimes as the defender. The uppercut and coup en passant. See you tomorrow.